What I want to say is that I want to thank everyone that is here today to grace this occasion. I had to fly all the way from London to be here today because Chief Imo is a very special person. You can see what is happening here today. At the time, I was very scared that there might be some stampede here. But thank God, it's ending in praise. What I want to say to Chief Imo and his wife is that keep up a good job. Marriage is not a bed of roses. I am 29 years old in mine. It has not been easy. But with God, all things are possible. Chief Imo, my wife, what is happening here today is just a testimony of celebrating people when they are still alive. What you're doing, anywhere you are, what are people around you taking you for? Do you take people the way you take yourself? Or look at Chief Imo, very humble. No matter who he is today in the society, he is always humble. The life we live today is a life of passage. One day, we will definitely move to eternity. We are going to take you with him. So I now say, only all of them are now to die in that. We buy the river at that, if I don't know what I can always go mad over money. What be him, me run on. Come on, we go down to the phone before about the order. I am a distant guy, all my friends, I couldn't be. Thank you so much. William Sonike, thank you so much. And King Tom, thank you so much. And there are lots of other people. Thank you for coming with me to grace. Once again, Chief and Lord, congratulations. Thank you.
I want to indulge into his indulgence. Today, my heart is full of joy, like I said earlier. I'm still in shock because I never expected what happened today to be this way. I just wanted to do just very casual celebration and then move on. When it turned out to be this way, my brother here shocked me yesterday when I saw him and his friends and our brothers. I want to also use this medium to say thank you to all of you that have come to celebrate with us. Celebration will never cease here. I am happy. He's a brother that I am proud of. Yes. Janka Amani. Thank you very much. I will reserve my comment until maybe I will say it and then post it online. I believe it will make more weight than now because now I am not articulated. Somebody say articulated.
Articulated.
Akajo for.
Thank you as well.
One night, all the way from London. They didn't know, sir. You're welcome. All the way from London. This man flew in to support us. May God support all of you.
Amen.
May He give you reason to celebrate. Any day you call on Him, He will answer you. All this I pray. Amen. Thank you.